Hey kids, can you help me figure out what sounds these animals make? Like what sound would a pig make?
A pig goes oink, oink, oink.
What about a chicken?
A chicken goes bark, bark, bark.
What about a frog?
Ribbit, ribbit.
And a horse?
Nay!
What about a cat?
Meow.
And a dog?
Ruff, ruff.
How about sheep?
A sheep goes baa.
And what sounds do birds make?
Tweet, tweet.
Nice.
La gallina,
Chicken.
el puerco,
Pig.
la rana,
Frog.
el caballo,
Horse.
el gato,
Cat.
el perro,
Dog.
la oveja,
Sheep.
el pájaro.
Bird.
Los animales, los animales, los animales, los animales.
Oh yeah, it's sounding good. Now how about you drop a beat for us? Oh yeah. La gallina.
Gallina,
El
puerco,
La rana.
rana,
El caballo.
caballo, gato,
El
perro,
La oveja.
oveja, pájaro. Los animales, los animales, los animales.
And what are you guys' favorite animals?
I like a tiger. I like all of the animals the best. Every animal in the world.
Every animal in the world? Here we go. Chicken.
Gallina,
Pig.
puerco,
Frog.
rana,
Horse.
caballo,
Cat.
gato,
Dog.
perro,
Sheep.
oveja,
Bird.
pájaro. Los animales, los animales, los